In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who viewed your Instagram videos and what you can actually track. Let's start with Instagram stories because that's the only place where you can see exactly who watched your video. If your story is still active, tap your profile picture with the colored ring to open it. Once the video is playing, either swipe up on the screen or tap the activity option in the bottom left. This reveals the full viewer list with usernames and the total number of views. Keep in mind, this window is time limited. The viewer list is only available for 24 hours after the story was posted. If the story has expired or you're outside that time frame, the list won't be accessible, even if people watched it. Now, for videos posted to your feed or as reels, the experience is different. Go to your profile and tap the video post you're curious about. Below the video, you'll see a view count. Instagram counts a view once someone watches for at least 3 seconds. If you tap that number, you'll see the total views and a list of people who liked the post. However, Instagram does not show the identities of viewers for feed or reels. Individual viewers remain anonymous, so you only get totals and likes. If you'd like more analytics, you can switch to a professional account to access insights. Open your profile and tap the 3 horizontal lines. In Settings, go to Creator Tools and Controls, then Account Type, and choose Switch to Professional Dashboard. From there, select the video to see metrics such as total views, reach, and accounts reached. These insights are helpful for understanding performance over time, but remember they are aggregate numbers. Instagram still won't provide names of viewers for feed or reels, even with a professional setup. Finally, you can infer who might have watched by looking at interactions. On a video post, tap the heart icon to review likes, and check the comments, shares, and saves shown under the video. People who frequently engage with your content are likely viewers. That said, it's not definitive proof. Someone can watch without interacting, and someone can like after seeing the post in their feed without completing the entire video. To recap, you get exact viewer names on stories within 24 hours. You get counts but no names on feed and reels. Professional insights show totals and reach without identities. And engagement can offer clues but not confirmation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more insights.